Have you ever struggled to draw a cute child character? If so, don't miss this video. Hi guys, my name is Mobin, and today we're diving into the awesome world of designing cute kid characters in manga. Ever thought about how to create a fun character? Let's jump right in. First things first, let's get to know the features of kid characters. They usually have big, round eyes, chubby cheeks, and huge smiles. These traits really help convey emotions. Check out this character. What do you think makes them so charming? Now, let's start designing step by step. First, draw a big circle for the head. Make it soft and round. Then, sketch a few simple lines for the body. Remember, these lines should feel playful and lively. Okay, it's time to add some details. Let's start with the eyes. Use big circles and fill them with bright colors. Make sure they show curiosity and joy. Now for the smile, draw a big, happy curve, like this. Next up, let's talk about hair. You can go wild here. From curly to straight, it can be anything. Let's try a fun hairstyle for our character. Use soft, flowing lines, and if you want, add a cute hat. Now it's time for the finishing touches. You can add a little shadow on the cheeks or some fun designs on the clothes. These little details make your character stand out. And don't forget to give them an action or pose that feels fun. Time for coloring. Use bright, cheerful colors. For instance, you might want to color the head pink and the outfit a light blue. Make sure the colors match well. For the clothes, throw in some fun patterns like dots or stripes. Like this. Oh, and one very important point. As always, this is a small cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to use legends to create a character, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.